Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Sure, I can guide you through a tutorial on using the DummyRegressor from the scikit-learn library in Python. We'll cover the basics and also discuss how to use it to find the minimum value for a group. Let's get started. DummyRegressor is a simple regressor that makes predictions using simple rules. It serves as a baseline to compare with other regressors, as it generates predictions using simple strategies such as predicting the mean, median, or constant value of the target variable. Before using DummyRegressor, you need to have scikit-learn installed. You can install it using pip if you haven't already. Here's an example that demonstrates how to use DummyRegressor in a basic regression setting. To find the minimum value for a group using DummyRegressor, you can group your data using pandas and then apply the DummyRegressor to each group separately. Here's an example. By using the DummyRegressor with a constant strategy and setting the constant to the minimum value of each group, you can effectively find the minimum value for each group. I hope this tutorial helps you understand how to use DummyRegressor and how to find the minimum value for a group in Python. ChatGPT. Certainly. In Python, the DummyRegressor is a part of the scikit-learn library, commonly used in machine learning. It's particularly useful for creating simple baselines for regression tasks, especially when you're dealing with datasets and want to establish a benchmark against which you can compare the performance of more sophisticated models. This tutorial will focus on using DummyRegressor to calculate the minimum of a group within a dataset. Firstly, ensure you have scikit-learn installed. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so via pip. Once scikit-learn is installed, you'll need to import the necessary libraries in your Python script or Jupyter notebook. Generate a sample dataset using make_regression from scikit-learn or load your own dataset. Split the dataset into training and testing sets to evaluate the model's performance. Instantiate the DummyRegressor and fit it to the training data. In this case, you'll focus on using the strategy constant with a value of min for the prediction. Evaluate the performance of the DummyRegressor model by making predictions and comparing them against the actual test values. This tutorial demonstrates how to use the DummyRegressor from scikit-learn to predict the minimum value of a group within a dataset. The code outlines the necessary steps, from importing libraries to evaluating the model's performance using mean-squared error. You can adapt this example by using your own dataset or tweaking parameters to explore different strategies within the DummyRegressor or other evaluation metrics based on your specific regression task. Hope this helps to get you started with DummyRegressor in Python. ChatGPT.